What is the best upright vacuum cleaners? Here are my full reviews of the best upright vacuum cleaner for cleaning pet hair, carpet, hard floor. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Shark Navigator NV 356E Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Shark Navigator NV 356E Professional Upright Vacuum Cleaner has all that you need for an upright vacuum cleaner. The lift-away canister lets you remove the canister from the vacuum cleaner's main body and transforms it into a compact device. With the lift-away canister, you can easily clean your stair without having to balance a massive machine. Additionally, the detachable canister is also useful when you need to clean the above surfaces above your floor. The Shark Navigator NV 356E Professional Upright Vacuum Cleaner has a powerful suction that can clean up all the embedded dirt and debris on your hard floors and carpets. This product also features the anti-allergen seal technology with a HEPA filter that can capture 99.9% of dust and allergens to give you cleaner air. Key feature: XL capacity dust cup, powerful suction for deep cleaning, anti-allergen complete seal technology with HEPA filter, swivel steering for excellent control, Brushroll shutoff. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum Cleaner. You need a new upright vacuum cleaner that is budget friendly. One good news for you is that the Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum Cleaner is what you are looking for. This lightweight vacuum cleaner has a dynamic motor and brush roll to lift heavy and stubborn debris. Since the Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum Cleaner weighs only 10 pounds, you can efficiently work with this vacuum cleaner and clean up your whole home. Thanks to the 5 height adjustment, this product can work well on various surfaces such as carpets, shag rugs, hard floors, etc. The 4.1 liter dust cup capacity can hold more dust and dirt, so you do not need to empty it frequently. Are you worrying that this vacuum cleaner may scratch your floors? Stop that thinking, since it has smooth wheels that ensure there will be no scratches or gouges. Key feature: dynamic motor and brush roll. 10-pound lightweight vacuum cleaner. 5 height adjustment settings. 1 liter large dirt cup. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Vacuum Cleaner only weighs about 7.5 pounds. Not only is this product lightweight, but it is also cordless, so you can enjoy the superb convenience, and vacuum has never been easier. This product also features swivel steering, so you can easily maneuver the vacuum cleaner. There are 2 speed settings for bare floors and carpets. With a long runtime, you can clean from room to room without interruption. Shark Navigator Freestyle Upright Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent option for pet owners, since the powerful motorized brush can lift all the embedded air on carpets. Additionally, the extra-large dust cup can hold more dirt and debris, so you do not need to empty it frequently. Key feature: lightweight and cord-free. Easy maneuver with swivel steering. Strong suction power and extended runtime. Easy to empty dust cup. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Shark Navigator NV 352 Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner. One main feature of the Shark Navigator NV 352 Upright Vacuum Cleaner is the lift-away function. Lift-away technology allows you to lift the canister away for cleaning hard-to-reach surfaces. This product is also equipped with swivel steering, so that you can maneuver this vacuum cleaner around the house with ease. Shark Navigator NV 352 upright vacuum cleaner is also one of the best vacuum cleaners for allergy sufferers because it has an anti-allergen complete seal system and a HEPA filter. Thanks to the Brushroll shutoff, you can easily switch from bare floors to carpet. One weak point of this product is that it cannot work well on high pile carpets. You only use it on hard floors and low pile carpets. Key features: anti-allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter. Powerful and lightweight. Brushroll shutoff. Swivel steering. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Shark Rotator Professional Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Rotator NV 501 is one of the best Shark upright vacuum cleaners for carpets and hard floors. This product has powerful suction with the lift-away pod for cleaning stairs and above floor areas. Apart from having the anti-allergen technology, this product also features Rotator technology to ensure excellent control around furniture and obstacles. The dynamic swivel steering makes it easy for you to deep clean the carpet. If you love high pile carpet, this product is an excellent choice for you since it has the adjustable suction for cleaning high pile carpet. One more plus point of this product is the powerful lights on the nozzles that can reveal hidden debris after a complete cleaning. Key feature: anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Powerful suction with lift-away pod. Dynamic swivel steering. Power lights on the nozzles. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.